Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make caramelized fish. The ingredients that you will need are some catfish fillets. You will need about 4 garlic cloves, 2 shallots, a piece of ginger, and about 3 chili peppers. This is optional, but I like to put quail eggs into mine. You can also use regular eggs. You will need a can of Coco Rico, black pepper, fish sauce, and sugar. First thing you're going to do is to peel your shallots and then thinly slice them. Next, you'll take your garlic and finely mince them. Then you go ahead and peel your ginger and you're going to chop them up. And then with the chili peppers, I'm just going to roughly chop them. Heat about a tablespoon of oil on medium heat, and then you'll add about a tablespoon of sugar, and then you're going to wait until it caramelizes and it's a golden brown color like this. Add in the garlic and shallots and saute for about 30 seconds, and then you're going to add in the catfish fillets. Make sure to coat it with the garlic and shallot oil mixture. Cover and let cook for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, in a bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of sugar and 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Mix well, and then you're going to coat it evenly over the fish. Season with some black pepper and then cover and cook for about another 5 minutes. Make sure to boil your quail eggs or your regular eggs in another pot. Next, you're going to add in your can of Coco Rico and let it come to a boil. Add in the ginger slices and chili peppers as well. If you see any foam come to the top, you can go ahead and skim that off. Once boiled, you're going to cook on low heat for about 5 minutes. Flip your fish over and then make sure you are coating your fish with the liquid. Cover and cook for another 5 minutes. Now it's time to add in the eggs. Go ahead and coat it and season with some black pepper. You can also add in green onions, and that's it. Serve with a side of white rice. Enjoy!